Welcome to our Basic Trading Concepts series. Today, we're focusing on a key investment principle: diversification. Diversification isn't just a strategy, it's an essential component of smart investing. Let's explore why it's so crucial and how to effectively diversify your portfolio. Diversification means spreading your investments across various asset classes and sectors to reduce risk. The goal is to maximize returns by investing in different areas that would each react differently to the same event. Why diversify? The main reason is to minimize the risk of loss. If one investment underperforms, others might perform well, which can help offset losses. For example, during the 2008 financial crisis, while stocks were plummeting, certain sectors like utilities and consumer staples and assets like gold were more stable. So, how can you diversify? There are several ways. One is through asset allocation, spreading your investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. Another way is to invest in a mix of industries and geographic regions. You can also diversify by investing in a combination of large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks. Mutual funds and exchange traded funds, ETFs, are excellent tools for diversification. They pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. For example, an S&P 500 ETF provides exposure to the top 500 companies in the US, spanning various sectors, offering broad market diversification. While diversification is vital, be cautious of over-diversification. Holding too many investments can lead to average returns and make it difficult to manage your portfolio effectively. In summary, diversification is a powerful strategy to manage risk and improve the potential for returns. By spreading your investments, you can smooth out your portfolio's performance over time, regardless of market volatility. Exciting topics await in our Basic Trading Concepts series. Join us as we deepen your insights into the financial markets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.